Join the ultimate global community. Live streams, video calls, and exclusive travel deals are with.
Hey everyone, want to start connecting on Donamix? It's easy, let me show you how. First, download the app from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and sign up. You can register your email, phone number, or social media accounts. After signing up, create your profile, add a photo, interest, a little more about yourself, personalized experience. Now, explore the platform, join groups, start live streamings, play games, connect with friends, start voice and video calls, and that's it. You're now part of the Donamix community, ready to connect, share, and earn. So what are you waiting for? Download Donamix app today and start building your network. Link is in the description below. Let's get connected.
Donamix, your social, travel, and lifestyle hub.